Hi! In front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this OPPO. Firstly, go in the device's settings, scroll down and choose password and biometrics. Now you need to click on add face and enter your current screen lock. When you're ready, just continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Follow all of those instructions and wait. Now you can enable or disable Rise to Wake feature by tapping on this switcher, and when you're ready, select Done. Over here, adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my OPPO. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!